Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up MediaWiki full guide. Start by confirming your server meets PHP, MySQL, and web server requirements and that you have shell or FTP access. We will walk through downloading MediaWiki, configuring the database, running the installer, and applying basic security settings. I will give practical tips on extensions, skin choices, and backups to keep the site stable and easy to manage. Next, prepare the installation files and database for MediaWiki. Upload the extracted files to your web root or chosen directory and ensure correct file permissions. Create a database and grant a dedicated user privileges, then open the installer in a browser and follow prompts to input database and site details. After installer finishes, download local settings. PHP to your site root and verify basic pages load correctly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long setup sessions. It fits most cup holders and keeps water cold for hours, making those late configuration nights easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you need a reliable bottle. Now let's get back to the video. Once MediaWiki runs, configure important settings to improve usability and security. Install recommended extensions for editing, file handling, and spam prevention, then enable caching to reduce server load and speed up page delivery. Customize user permissions and namespaces, restrict risky file types, and enforce HTTPS with your web server. Schedule regular backups and test restore procedures so you can recover quickly from issues or accidental deletions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.